Hello, Year 3. How are you? I hope you're all fine. It's Miss Sarah, and I'm back with another video. Today, we'll have our spelling test and we'll be looking at Unit 23. We'll be looking at our new spelling list. So what you'll need is your spelling rules book along with a piece of paper. Make sure you write the date on top, followed by the unit number. And don't forget to number your small piece of paper. You should write the numbers from 1 to 12, along with the score at the bottom. If you still didn't practice Unit 22 words, please pause the video. If you practiced and you're ready to start, then let's get started. Okay. So the very first word we have is scissors. Scissors. By the way, you can pause the video if you need more time writing your word. First word is scissors. Scissors. Number 2, women. Women. Number 3, kangaroo. Kangaroo. Number 4, hero. Hero. Number 5, potato. Potato. Number 6, canoe. Canoe. Number 7, trousers. Trousers. Number 8, cockatoo. Cockatoo. Number 9, piano. Piano. Number 10, mango. Mango. Number 11, tomato. Tomato. Number 12, toe. Toe. Okay, I'll repeat the words one more time quickly. Scissors, women, kangaroo, hero, potato, canoe, trousers, cockatoo, piano, mango, tomato, and toe. So please self-mark your work. If you wrote the word correctly, just put a tick. If you haven't, make sure you correct the word. Write the correct word on top of the word, beside the word, or beneath the word. Please pause the video and self-mark. Once you're done, please staple or glue your sheet into your spelling copybook on the Unit 22 page. Okay, let's look at Unit 23 words. Please open your spelling rules book to page 50. Don't forget to write these words into your spelling copybook on the next new page. Don't forget to write your spelling words every day. Make sure you look at the word, cover the word, write the word, and check your spelling. So the very first word we have is puff. Puff. Puff means it's basically a short, strong burst of breath, air, smoke, or steam. A sentence would be, I love to let out a puff of breath in winter because it creates a tiny cloud. So as you can see in the picture, the girl, after she puffed, you can see the little tiny clouds she created. So you puff to create these clouds. Next, we have cliff. Cliff. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, a cliff is a steep rock face, especially at the edge of the sea. Okay, so you should never stand near the edge of a cliff as it is dangerous. Next we have staff. Staff. A staff is a walking or hiking stick. So the old man walked with a tall wooden staff. Staff. Okay, next we have shelf. Shelf. Shelf is a flat piece of wood, metal, or glass which is attached to a wall or the sides of a cupboard. So as you can see in the picture, you have a few shelves here. So all library books, all books in the library are placed on the shelf. Shelf. Half. Half. Half means two equal parts. So I use the knife to cut the chocolate bar in half. Half. Next we have wolf. Wolf. A wolf is a wild mammal that has a pointed nose, pointed ears, and a bushy tail. Wolves are related to dogs and foxes. So our sentence would be, he watched the wolf disappear into the tall grass. Scarf. Scarf. A scarf is a long piece of cloth or knitted material worn around the head, neck, or shoulders. So my grandmother knitted a colorful scarf, which I wear in winter. Scarf. Leaf. Leaf. A leaf is a green, flat part of the tree that grows from the stem or branch. So many leaves fell from the tree during the windstorm. Leaf. Next we have knife. Knife. A knife is a sharp tool used for cutting or slicing. I should never use a knife without my mother's permission. Knife. Handkerchief. Handkerchief. So a handkerchief is basically a square of thin fabric used for personal hygiene purposes. So as you can see here, the little boy is holding a handkerchief. So it's like a small piece of cloth, okay? It's like a square, small piece of fabric. And you can use it to wipe your face, you can use it to blow your nose, you can use it, for many, many things, such as anything related to personal hygiene. So my best friend uses his handkerchief to blow his nose or to wipe his face. Giraffe. Giraffe. A large African mammal with a very long neck, and it is considered as the tallest living mammal. When I go to the zoo, I always feed the giraffe. Giraffe. Themselves. It's a pronoun which is used to refer to a group of people. So the father asked his 4 girls to look after themselves when they go out. Themselves. Okay, please open page 50 in your spelling rules book. And let's look at question 1. So rhyming words, words that sound similar. So the first word we have is calf. Would it be calf puff? Do they rhyme? No. Calf cliff? No. Calf staff? Yes, they could rhyme. Yes, it could rhyme. And also calf and half. Calf and half rhymes. Next we have laugh, followed by wife, stiff, thief, bluff. Please pause the video and try to find the word in our spelling list which rhymes with the corresponding words. Please self-mark your work. Once again, you can pause the video if you need more time. Okay, next we're looking at plurals. We've got 2 rules. So if a noun ends in F or FE, you have to drop the F or FE and add VES. For example, elf. We want to make the word elf, it's singular, we want to change it into plural. So we're going to drop the F and add VES. So let's look at the first word here. We have half. What will we do? We'll drop the F and add VES. So half is a singular version. Halves is a plural word for half. Okay, what is our next rule? It states, if a noun ends with FF or FFE, just add S, such as puff, it ends with FF, so we just add S, puffs. Please pause the video and solve the rest of the questions. Once you're done, you may self-mark your work. This is the answer key. Please check your answers. Okay, we have reached the end of this video. Don't forget to send me your email scores today. Today's the deadline to send me take a picture of your spelling test and please send it. Make sure you practice Unit 23 words, and don't forget we have a spelling quiz next Thursday. Write your words every day inside your copybook. Remember, you have 5 columns for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Make sure you write sentences for each word, and all this is due on Sunday. Okay, as always, thank you so much for your time and efforts, and see you.